Welcome back to another We've Got History Hums Mums YouTube series on GCSE History, and today we're carrying on looking at the Kaiser, specifically social change and the working classes. This is a 3-minute tutorial, so be sure to have a pen and paper ready. There will be some recap questions at the end. If you've missed any of our previous videos, it's worth going back and looking at those first, as this is all in sequence order, and it will help you with your learning. So a quick background though, rapid industrialisation changed German society, with millions of people becoming part of the growing working class. They lived and worked in tough, crowded conditions and had really decided that they wanted a change. So many joined trade unions as a result, and they demanded higher pay and shorter hours. The SPD, that's the Social Democratic Party, promised political change to help ordinary workers, but the Kaiser fears they would weaken his control and doesn't want to give them any power. Now, business owners and professionals grew richer and more influential, and they often supported the Kaiser because it kept them rich, and they opposed socialism because they don't want to give their workers more rights. So society becomes very divided between the rich and the poor, leading to tensions in the country. So a quick summary of them. Industrial success brought both progress and equality. The working class gained confidence and demanded reform, and social divisions created new challenges for the Kaiser. So on your screen coming up, if you pause it, there are some questions and see if you can answer them. If you're unable to do so, go back over the video and try again. Please like and subscribe, so we can continue making these videos for you. It's much appreciated. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.